What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. 2021. It's been a while. I've been taking care of a couple of things, but we're back. We can do this little daily video for this year. Let's get it. I'm gonna come on here and get y'all an update where we at. So far, we on our journey now. Next goal we should be hitting is about 5,000. I just want to give you a little update about where I'm at right now. So we have a couple of shares in Alibaba. We got Shopify, Facebook. Let me go back. These are more so just freshman shares. Facebook, Netflix, Google. Got one share of Apple. We got some freshman shares of Tesla. Actually doing pretty well. Amazon, freshman shares. And then we got about 2 shares of Vanguard, a REIT. We got Twitter, which is doing very well. We got Nike, share of Disney, Verizon, a GM. We got Uber. We got Lyft. D2 was one of my free stocks. We got Coca-Cola, AMD, which is doing very well. We up about $59. Camry Growth looking pretty good. Might get some more share of that. Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Iron Mountain, okay. AT&T, good dividend stock, 7.2. You got Southwest Airlines, DraftKings looking pretty good. Wells Fargo, pretty good gaming company right here. JD.com, I'm just going through these real fast. Neo, Microvision, pretty good. HP, Intel, ADT, SiriusXM, Rocket Companies. Yeah, so I'm going to couple of these real fast. Let's show what's in my portfolio. So today I want to talk about my investing strategy. For the most part, I like to invest in dividend stocks, but from time to time I like to go into more and growth stocks. I mean, who doesn't like those? I play around with the little penny stocks from time to time, but for the most part, I mean, dividends and growth stocks. So I usually, invest for the I usually invest in long term, buy and hold. I may like the stock I like. I might get in, get out real fast, and just get a couple of dollars, get a couple of gains. But mainly, my investing strategy is trying to find the best growth stocks, the best dividend stocks, and that's really where I'm at right now. Just have a little fun. This is a Robinhood account right now. Not really my main investing platform. Up for the year, look pretty good. But yeah, I'm gonna do some more daily videos, so stay tuned. If you're new, subscribe, like, comment, and enjoy my journey.